2, 1.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to let you guys know that I'm going to be doing a series on home decor, home decorating. If you don't know, now you know. We are new homeowners. We built our home at the end of the year last year in 2020. So I thought, why not take you guys along on the ride with us to decorate our home and make it feel more at home. We're going to start off with our living room, which we are in right now. All right, you guys, here is a before look at the living room. We are so excited to decorate it. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be coming with a new video soon, so stay tuned.